Okay, remember, credit card applications are stated. It means what you put on that application is not, they're not going to verify the information. They are going to trust what you put on there is accurate. Okay? If you go over their threshold of where they feel is uncomfortable, they are going to ask for a financial review. So what my students have said is 120,000 or less is what you would put. Okay, now some of my students were saying 89,500 as far as your income. It works very well. The second thing is your job employment. Okay, do not put unemployed, do not put self-employed, and do not put SSI.
So basically he wants you to lie on your credit card application. So again, this coming from a scammer comes as no surprise, but somebody sent me this video, and as I was watching it, it makes my blood boil. I don't understand why these people want you to lie on your applications to get money or get credit cards that you probably can't afford anyway.